I want a ticket to anywhere. Maybe we can make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove. Yeah, I'm free. You got a fast car. I have a plan to get us out of here. Been working at a convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far. Just across the border and into the city. And you and I can both get jobs. Finally see what it means to be living. My old man's got a problem. He lives with the bottle, that's the way it is. He said his body's too old for working. Said his body's too young to look like this. Mama went off and left him. She wanted more from life than he could give. I said somebody's gotta take care of him. So I quit school, that's what I did. You got a fast car. Is it fast enough so we can fly away? We gotta make a decision. Leave tonight or live and die this way. Yeah, I'm free falling. Now I'm free falling. Free falling. You got a fast car. Is it fast enough so we can fly away? We gotta make a decision. Leave tonight or live and die this way.